When the heat is beating on the house and you need one box in the window to hold the line, you want cooling that is efficient, quiet, and worth the money. I have been in this trade long enough to know the difference between a unit that just runs and a unit that actually earns its keep, and today it is Black+Decker against Hisense. The Black+Decker BD10NWES is a straight standard window unit with no U-shaped design, no casement setup, and no wall mount trickery. The Hisense AHW0823TW1W is built the same way in the file with a standard install and no U-shape, no casement, no wall model, so neither one wins by being the easier oddball fit. Efficiency is where both of these show they can do real work, with each carrying a 15.0 EER, which is top shelf for window AC efficiency. Both units use inverter compressors so they ramp and modulate speed instead of slamming on and off, which reduces startup stress and smooths room temperature swings. From a service standpoint, inverter operation is easier on the electrical side and better for long-term comfort than a single-stage compressor. Price is where the conversation gets real, with Black+Decker around $360 to $390 and Hisense roughly $350 to $390. Bottom line, these two are in the same neighborhood on price, and neither one is a bargain bin throwaway. On utility, the Black+Decker keeps it simple with no Wi-Fi and no voice control. Just a cleaner machine with fewer features to fail. The Hisense brings Wi-Fi and voice compatibility, which gives you phone control and smart home convenience, if that matters to you. Noise matters too, with the Black+Decker listed at 52 decibels and the Hisense at 44 decibels, a meaningful difference you will notice in real life. Quick maintenance tip from the field: clean the filter regularly, keep the drain path clear, and do not let dust choke the coil. A clean filter helps airflow, protects efficiency, and keeps that inverter compressor from working harder than it should. Otherwise, you will feel it in comfort and in the electric bill. Warranty is where the Hisense really pulls ahead, with 2 years on the unit and 2 years on the compressor, compared to Black+Decker's 1 year each. The verdict is the Hisense AHW0823TW1W because it offers the same 15.0 EER efficiency inverter, operation quieter, performance smart features, and a stronger 2-year full unit and compressor warranty. The Black+Decker is a solid, simple unit, but when prices are this close, I take the better built package every time. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.